A long, long time ago, on the islands of Japan, people began to live and create their world. The earliest recorded history of Japan begins around the 8th century with the Kojiki and Nihon Shoki texts, which are filled with mythologies and the origins of the Japanese people. Ancient clans and emperors ruled the land, establishing Shinto as the native religion. According to legend, the first emperor, Jimmu, descended from the sun goddess Amaterasu, starting a line that continues to this day. In the early days, Japan was greatly influenced by its neighbor, China. They adopted Chinese characters for writing, Chinese fashion, Buddhism, and even the concept of centralized government. This era of high culture and Chinese influence is known as the Nara and Heian periods. Then came the age of the samurai, a time when warriors carried swords and pledged loyalty to powerful lords or daimyo. This was called the feudal period, and it lasted several centuries, marked by battles and the rise of warrior codes like Bushido. During the late 1500s, three unifiers came to power: Oda Nobunaga, Toyotomi Hideyoshi, and Tokugawa Ieyasu. They brought peace and unity to Japan, starting the Edo period, a time of isolation, peace, and cultural growth. For over 200 years during the Edo period, Japan remained mostly closed off from the rest of the world. However, in 1853, Commodore Perry from the United States forced Japan to open its borders, which led to the end of the shogunate and the start of the Meiji Restoration. Japan rapidly modernized, adopting Western technologies and industrial practices. By the early 20th century, Japan had become a major world power. However, World War II brought devastation to the country. After the war, Japan rebuilt itself, becoming an economic powerhouse with innovations in technology, cars, and electronics. Today, Japan is known for its rich culture, blending ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology, and continues to fascinate people all over the world with its unique blend of the old and the new.